All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, this is the chocolate satin, but it has a really nice silk feel to it. This is a top as well as skirt. The skirt has the cute little slit with a little kind of like tie style here at the waist. So the shirt, of course, can be worn out or tucked in. And let me tell you, the sizing on it is amazing because everything fits very well and gives you plenty of room. Because this right here is nice. Here we go with the first piece of sparkle. All right, this is the teal green and kind of blackish maybe skirt. Super cute, extremely comfortable. It has this little ruffle going down the side as a little accent, and I absolutely adore the length on it. It is perfect and fits all the way around. Not necessarily feeling it. It's kind of giving me limited edition or holiday edition Inside Out Girl Scout Thin Mint cookie vibes with the mint and then the chocolate. It's very comfortable. If it's your flavor, it's your flavor. Personally, not for me. All right, last sparkly number of the batch. This is the jumpsuit. It is very comfortable and it fits. I mean, it actually fits the hips, and it's not too baggy in the top, because usually that's my problem with jumpsuits. By the time it fits the hips, it's way too big in the top. And the lining underneath is great. Also on the other sequence numbers, the lining under is great, so you don't have all that itchiness going on or uncomfortableness. You can wear it and feel comfy. It, like I said, it fits. It has a great length. I'm only 5'5", so that part is probably not hard. Everything else, right? They did it. So yeah, ring in the new year, or I think it would even be great for like 70s disco party or something.